Let's talk about this box. This is designed by Freewell. This is their Pro Card Reader, and I love this box, and I think you may too. So let's get into it. Cue the intro. Just kidding. No intro. Let's get into this. This compact card reader is expertly crafted from aluminum alloy, ensuring both durability and lightweight design. It includes a convenient carabiner, allowing you to easily attach it to your backpack, keys, or belt loop for seamless access on the go. However, I personally would never carry my media storage on the outside of my bag, but I like the option to secure it to whatever meets my needs. Simply press both buttons to slide off the cover for access. Freewell's Pro Card Reader is designed to hold one CFexpress Type A card and one CFexpress Type B card, alongside 3 SD cards, 6 micro SD cards, and 2 nano SIM slots. It is very versatile. This is not a review about performance, benchmark tests, speed, specs, all that stuff. This is more about practicality. This is more about workflow. This is more about lifestyle, how you actually use this box and how it could have some meaning, some value to you. So I want to go over my workflow and how I back up my stuff and copy all my files when I'm traveling. So basically at the end of the day when I get back to the hotel or back to camp or whatever it is, the first thing I start doing is I start removing the media and start plugging that into my readers and transferring those files over. And while I'm doing that, I'll usually run, take a shower, get my clothing ready for the next day. All those little things you just want to get in order before the end of the night so you're ready to hit the road first thing in the morning before sunrise and get going, knowing you have a copy of your files and all that good stuff. But the beauty of this thing is that I have all my readers right in here. You know, I have my CFexpress, I have my SD, I have my micro SD, so I can simultaneously copy files in this box. One cable, one USB-C port, plug in all my media and start transferring files over while I'm in the shower. The point is I can have 3 or 4 cards copying at the same time while I'm doing the stuff I have to do to get ready for the next day. And I just love that. Having an integrated USB-C cable means one less cable to keep track of, so you always know where it is. I also appreciate that Freewell included a USB-A adapter for situations where your computer doesn't have USB-C ports. While the cable has a designated spot, the adapter does not, so it will need to be stored separately. Honestly, I prefer the smaller case without the added size of an adapter that you may not use frequently. I don't use CFexpress A cards, so I would have loved the option to store a second CFexpress B card. That goes for the 2 SIM card slots as well. I wish they could have doubled as 2 additional micro SD card holders, or removed to make room for that second CFexpress B slot option. This reader significantly simplifies media management while traveling and is a joy to use, eliminating the need for multiple readers that clutter your workspace. Here you can see I'm transferring large 4K video files simultaneously from 3 cards plugged into the micro SD, SD, and CFexpress B slots. The LED indicator is subtle but useful. It pulses when reading and turns solid when done. Compared to inexpensive plastic readers, this feels like a tool, not a disposable accessory. It fits easily in a backpack, and the multi-slot design saves you from swapping cards constantly. I've always appreciated Freewell's high build quality and more than competitive prices. Great balance and value, I might add. Cons and pros? Well, let's start with price. And yes, I did say that backwards. On sale, you can grab it for about $100. Otherwise, it's about $140. Buy once, cry once. Although $100 isn't all that bad, and you do get what you pay for. A personal con for me is the lack of a second CFexpress B slot, which is what most modern mirrorless cameras use. In fact, I've never used a CFexpress A card, ever. The 2 SIM card slots are nice, but I think they could be better used, either as making room for a second CFexpress B card or 2 more micro SD cards. The pros for me are build quality, performance, and multiple read-write scenarios from a single reader, and I really do love this reader. I love the whole package, I love the design, the engineering, and it really is the near perfect travel companion for me when I'm out on adventures. Okay, well that wraps it up. That's a summary of Freewell's Pro Card Reader. I hope this was helpful. For me, it's just less cables I have to pack. It's less card readers I have to pack. And of course, having all this extra storage as well makes this really the perfect solution for me and my workflow when I'm traveling. So yeah, that's about it. So go in peace, be kind to one another, and just have a great day and get out there and shoot. I certainly have to. So later.